Welcome to CJY Money Entertainment, and today we're making strawberry coleslaw salad. So what you're gonna need is 110, maybe even 10.5 ounce of coleslaw. So I didn't make my own coleslaw. I just went and purchased some. Quick and easy. This is 14 ounces. I'm only gonna use about 10.5. Then you're going to need some strawberries. About 2 cups of strawberries. But I only want to use 1 because I'm going to add some more fruit. But you can use 2 cups of strawberry. 16 ounces. You can use a half of cup of green onion. I don't like onion, so I'm not adding it. It's optional. But if you use the green onion, slice it thin. Here's some blue cheese crumble. And you need about a 1/4 cup of that. And here's some almonds, sliced, chopped, or slither. And you use 3/4 cups of almonds. Now you can substitute the almonds for pecans, but then you're gonna caramelise them, and that's more calories, so I'm not doing that. Here is some dried cranberries. So that's why I only use 1 cup, because I'm using 1 cup of cranberries and I'm mixing it together instead of the 2. And of course, you need a cup of Greek yogurt. Now, I did get some strawberry because I am dealing with strawberry and I like strawberry a lot. But you can get vanilla or whatever flavor that you like. But Greek is always the best. Fat-free, of course. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this all together, and I'm going to show you how everything comes out. And leave about an ounce or so left in the bag. Leave that aside. Add that in. There we go. Then you're also going to add your nuts. I'm mixing this really good. And I'm going to stir this yogurt up really, really good. You want to make sure that it's really whipped good because you want to be able to spread it. Strawberries. So add my strawberries. And that strawberries is going to get ahead and make this a little more wet. Yogurt. And I'm going to add some of my crumb, a little bit at a time. Make some more. Now, some people just dump everything in. I'm a mixer, so I like to make sure that anybody get a bowl, that they get a little bit of everything. Look how pretty that color is coming out. And now I'm going to pour some of this in, a little bit at a time. Mix this really well. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice and pretty, spring, summer type of dish. And this goes in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Do not leave it in the refrigerator past 3 hours. It will get soggy because of the strawberries, and you don't want that. So I'm gonna put this in so I get a nice chill, and then we'll be back when I get ready to eat it.